You want to get some peppers?
Peppers.
You see any?
Yeah.
Hey everybody, I'm out here in the garden and we are picking all of our peppers because it's going to freeze on Friday and all these plants are going to die. So Junior and I are going through and picking all of our peppers. We've already got quite a bit here. And you could take these and transplant them inside. So if we had a smaller smart pot, which we do have one smart pot that has a pepper in it that we can take inside, but we really don't have anywhere to keep them indoors where our cats won't ruin them or where they won't get destroyed. So for us, we'll just start over again with new peppers. But if you do have a space indoors that gets a lot of sun, primarily sun that is either from a south-facing window, then it is possible to bring them indoors. You're probably not going to get a lot of peppers or any off of them over the winter, but they'll come back in the spring. You can set them outside whenever you would normally transplant your other peppers, and they will, and they'll just kick right up back where they were. Shovel? You can go dig? You can dig over there. You want to dig? Right over there.
See.
Yeah. You dig a hole?
Oh, we got another pepper.
Oh, okay.
My pepper.
Climbing in?
My peppers. Bucket.
There's some more over here.
Hey.
There you go.